meghalayapost.news.
Ngaduk ki kena skul kino hikai bat ki bor penyak skul ke Alpha English Higher Secondary School Nongpoh kilap empau ya kamen sim jong kajing sokmen pementar seni kilala ban Plie bano ya kamadan ya lakai basketball ya kabalate ya ketika skul nang ba kajing ram dau MLA ka Nongpoh constituency kuba Meral Bonds im leng ba ka skim SRWP ha kajing lut ke balakot syakasan lak tengka ya ketika basketball court la Plie ba dau ba Meral Bonds im MLA ka Nongpoh kum kongsan harangkat kajing adon lang ka L Marak ka bade ka JRDO ka umling CNRD block ka kong WK Bla principal Pastor Dr. KB Karbteng, Vice Principal Lembat Kino Hikai bagi kena skul. Hakan yang sengi nalo kajing Plie ba ya ke basketball court. Nakaliang ketika skul Nongpoh Pynkup Burom ru ya kena skul ke balapas bah. Haka exam SSLC bat HSSLC. Baka skul ke penpau ya kajing susarong halo kajing wan rak nam rak burom. Halor kajing pas bah juga kena bapulih ketika skul.
As we come together to celebrate our achievements, we should acknowledge the unwavering dedication and unrelenting passion of all those who have held our backs, day or night, ultimately defining our academic journey thus far. Let us continue to strive for excellence, fueled by passion and resilience, and most importantly, to put our shoulders to the wheel, that is to work hard.
Our life we too long, for a burden on you we've cast. It's now I love to show.
Principal for the achievement that you have made this far, and also for the inaugural of the basketball ground. I remember when I was in school, we used to have that ordinary basketball ground, and we never had a chance to play because there were so many students who would chase after the ball, and we would always be the last one to get the ball, and we would always not get the opportunity to play basketball. But I guess now you have two basketball ground, and the newly inaugurated one is very beautiful, so to say. I would also like to thank the MLA because through the SRWP scheme, it has been possible to make this basketball ground a success. The SRWP schemes is a contribution to the school infrastructure, which will have an everlasting impact on our students' lives. I'm also grateful for your support and commitment. I encourage our students to utilize this basketball ground and this facility to nurture your passion for basketball and strive for excellence. To say to students, seize this opportunity, because you will not have this opportunity at home. Since we do not have a good, a basketball ground or other sports facilities here in Nongpoh, so as students we must seize this opportunity to utilize the ground to the fullest.
As a school, we are still short of, of sporting areas, so to say, where we should develop. But today, we are here to inaugurate the basketball court, the new basketball court, which has been partly financed through the MLA scheme, SRWP scheme, which comes through the Umling CNRD block. And we have here Madam Lauchandami Marak, the GDRO of the Umling CNRD block, and the officers who had been with us, the engineers and the accounts officers who had been with us through the construction of this new basketball court. I know sir have been very busy, had just come back yesterday night, 11 students, and we have near about 400 students, and we need that basketball court for the assembly ground. We're also launching Miss S.S. Black, our beloved sister, you all know, you call her Miss Kado. In loving memory of her, we are launching the inter-school or the inter-club, which will be worked out later, launching the Miss S.S. Black Memorial Basketball Championship in loving memory of our sister, the Vice Principal, who is no more with us. And this will help us remember the contribution that she had made to the school, the dreams that she had, and like the welcome song of the choir, reaching or catching the dreams that we have by working together.
Just the beginning of a long journey that you have to encounter several challenges in days to come. Those who have choose different line, parents who have opportunity to send your children within the state or outside the state, we wish you all the best. Present who cannot afford to send their children for further studies outside the state, we wish you all the best. But I'm not wrong to say that parents have sacrificed everything. Kidang dikiri cepat, ban penbit penbiang, yang jingdon kam, yang ikun. Kita sim nagaram kasya loan, educational loan, ban kiwi. Ban penting kena bagi kun iksi biluhi, inyo enjing pule kabaham. Kindon yang kelawai kabapernai. Ngikit bok kiryang, yang kimi kipat. Kibala kristam, kibala kersan, yang ikun dijumpi. This is one of the good initiatives that you have taken. We congratulate the school management. Keep it up. Hats off to this initiative. At the same time, to those students who have had this opportunity, this privilege. But the government is with the people of the state as much as it can to ensure that different facilities is being provided at different levels. Financial assistance, grant and aid, salaries of the teachers, infrastructure to the school. I'm not wrong to say in the past also, Alpha English Higher Secondary School have received various financial assistance from the government. But that will not be enough without the dedication, the hard work, and the facilities that yourself as management that you have contributed to what this beautiful institution that has been created in this beautiful town. Despite of all the challenges, we are here today to ensure that the future of all the students who are here, they will see the light of the days in days to come. Probably with parents, there are certain instances that I have come across. There are students who gijungi kibom nang ban burom, biya gikimi gikipa. Kibom nang ban burom, biya ginong hikay, kibom nang ban burom biya gipakalog. Namong babarok dilong mukaya, kakto ni gidon. Kibom nang ban burom. They don't know how to respect others. They don't know how to recognize. They don't know how to acknowledge whatever the parents, the teachers, the guardian, they have done for them. Iklet no. Ye gijing le bhai, ye tristom, ye gijing let lade. Jong tinong suma yengi. Kila bende kimi kipa, kila bende ki bahaying di bahasem, kila bende kinong hikay. Nak school bayi, suma ban kenmau, bagi di benang ban burom. Ye gijing le bhai, jong kimi kipa, jong kinong hikay. We should thank all concerned who have been part and parcel to shape your career where you are today. We must not forget the fact that we are all the creation of God. In the beginning, God has created this beautiful world, as I have said. A beautiful nature, a safe water to drink, a safe air to breathe, a sunlight to each and every one of us, education that we have achieved, the initiative taken by the state and the central government to ensure that educational system in our country, it will have the best facility as much as it can. Despite of several challenges that we have encountered in the past, even presently also. But I'm not wrong to say that the initiative and the endeavors started by the government to ensure for a quality education, despite of the challenges, it will be on the right track. That is our hope and aspiration as the people of the state. As one of the legislators elected by the people of this particular area, it is my responsibility to ensure that every school, be it in urban or rural area, that they should have a quality education. Dear student, we are here today to witness this beautiful program. Ngambakla ban ong bat ki dijing thau ki bogle ula thau kerpang. Ban man kasni ha bangidan ha pedeng jong gane ka hall. Ki bak kementam ha gane sngi. Ki digi kimi pa ki no ikai ban no ki kelas. Ngai ni ki kimi pa ki bade parlok ki jonga. Bagi curi tahu bang, ikun kijong pim kilek bang, kipas bang, yo position, la pendan Burom mana kesni, kadai kesni ke bak kementam, tapi cengkem gitu. Nyemla konsep, ya ki umat, ki benjau, lagi kemat. Nama harga cengkemen, abagi kun kiksiu kijongi.
MeghalayaPost.news.